Sanibonani, igama lami nginguSithembile Mofokeng, your face of 032 Art Management and inxusa lama-virtual inventors. Bengithanda ukulifisela usuku labantu besifazane oluhle. Bengithemba futhi ukuthi sizothatha izinqumo eziphusile kule nyanga ngoba the decisions you make today have an impact